Deep in Guizhou, China, nature carved a divide so deep, it swallows the sound of the wind.
This is the Huajiang Canyon, a beautiful nightmare for engineers.
To cross it, we must build the highest bridge the world has ever seen.
A span of 125 meters.
Before a single stone is moved, the plan is locked. Precision is the only option.
Advanced aerial drones scan the limestone, hunting for the perfect anchor points.
Every stress point is simulated. Gravity is the enemy here. The first step isn't building up, it's cutting in. Heavy machinery must reach the edge of the abyss.
The center line is marked. The clock starts now.
Two sides, separated by a 2-hour journey, are about to become neighbors.
A suspension bridge is only as strong as its grip on the earth.
We dig down to create the massive gravity anchors that will hold the main cables.
Thousands of tons of steel rebar are hand-tied to reinforce the concrete.
There is no room for error. Every bar adds structural integrity.
Then, the pour begins. A continuous flow of concrete. This base must be heavy enough to counter the pull of the entire bridge.
Removing air pockets is critical. Weakness is not an option.
As it cures, it becomes artificial rock, rooted in the mountain. These bolts will eventually hold the tension of the main suspension cables. Every nut is torqued to specific engineering standards.
While anchors are built, the tower foundations are prepared below.
The main towers need deep roots to withstand high-altitude winds. Steel skeletons are lowered deep into the earth. The pump trucks extend like mechanical arms, delivering the lifeblood of construction. The work continues 24/7. The schedule is tight.
Temperature control is vital during the hardening process.
The stage is set. Now, we go up.
The tower cranes are assembled. They will build the giants.
The main towers begin their ascent. We use hydraulic climbing formwork.
Pour, cure, climb.
控制塔，我是起重机操作员。负载稳定，正在上升。
完毕。
At this altitude, the wind becomes a formidable opponent.
Each lift is calculated. Balance is everything. The pylons grow meter by meter towards the sky. The crossbeams lock the legs together, providing stability.
It is a symphony of fire and steel in the clouds.
The towers are designed to flex. absorbing the energy of storms.
Must be perfectly aligned to guide the suspension cables.
On the other side, the Twin Tower reaches its peak.
Two giants now stand guard over the canyon.
The molds are stripped away. The structure is revealed.
Aircraft and a beacon in the night.
The most dangerous phase is about to begin. We cannot walk across air. We must fly the first connection.
A simple drone carries the pilot rope, the first physical link.
Contact. The two sides are connected.
The pilot rope pulls a heavier cable, then a heavier one.
Step by step, we build the strength to support the catwalk. The catwalk is the construction platform in the sky.
It takes courage to walk where birds fly.
The Sky Road is open for the workers. Now, the main cable spinning begins.
Back and forth, thousands of times, carrying individual wires.
Workers bundle these wires into strands.
Order is essential for maximum strength.
The cable grows from a thread to a massive steel artery.
A compactor squeezes the strands into a perfect circle. It is wrapped and sealed against the elements.
This single cable can hold the weight of an aircraft carrier.
We install clamps. These will hold the vertical suspenders. Precision placement is key for the deck alignment.
The hangars are dropped. They await the deck.
Skeleton is ready. It needs a spine.
Below, the steel truss girders are pre-assembled.
This is a steel truss design, lighter and stronger for mountain winds.
The cable crane moves into position.
Safety tests first. We lift dead weight before steel.
Sensors monitor the cable tension in real time.
Smart tech is embedded to monitor the bridge's health forever.
The stage is set for the main event.
The first segment arrives.
The hoist descends.
The load is secured. Liftoff. The journey upwards begins. A slow, steady climb to the heavens. It meets the suspension level. Workers pin the floating road to the cables.
The first piece is in place.
Segment by segment, the gap closes.
We lift from the center outwards and from the ends inwards.
Once aligned, they are welded into a single continuous piece.
Zipper of steel closes the canyon. GPS ensures millimeter accuracy.
Working here requires total focus.
The final gap, the closure segment.
The keystone of the bridge.
Perfect fit. Canyon is conquered. The bridge is won.
The longest mountainous span is complete.
We must build the road surface.
Reinforcement for the heavy traffic to come.
Layer of concrete adds weight and stability. A perfectly flat surface is created.
The temporary catwalks are removed. They are no longer needed.
Anti-corrosion paint protects the steel for decades.
The final asphalt layer is laid. Smooth and durable. Safety barriers are installed. For the brave, glass walkways are installed on the edges.
A view that stops the heart.
Highest bungee jump in the world is prepared. Lighting the way. The lanes are marked.
September 2025. The Huajiang Grand Canyon Bridge is ready.
The final load test confirms its strength. At night, the bridge becomes a sculpture of light.
A journey of 2 hours is now just 2 minutes.
Connecting communities, boosting the economy.
wonder for the world to see.
Engineering meets tourism.
A steel ribbon in the clouds.
A testament to human ingenuity and hard work. The Huajiang Grand Canyon Bridge. The world's highest bridge.